Hi, this is Peter Chol. Welcome to my channel, Peter Ads TV, where you can learn all kinds of stuff about making money online. I do it, my clients do it, and many people around the world make a living off of it. I always hear people complaining about how free and paid online courses rip them off and don't really get into much detail before tricking them into buying an even more expensive version. Then there are those market gurus who only motivate you to buy their ebooks but don't teach you anything useful. I am sick of hearing about these, so I have created this channel to share with you everything I know for free. Making money online shouldn't be this hard. And you don't even need to invest money to start your first digital business. I'm talking about affiliate marketing that can earn you a handsome amount of passive income when you do it right. I've been doing this for several years now, and I've helped my clients set up their own affiliate marketing businesses. It's pretty simple and straightforward, actually. You recommend products you believe in and earn a commission when somebody makes a purchase using your affiliate link. The reason many people don't get success in affiliate marketing is because of the fierce competition. The internet is flooded with content, so you need to stand out. That's what I'm here for. I'm going to show you how to set up your own affiliate business, how to get ahead of the competition, and finally, how to make real money from your digital business. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for high-quality, free content about making money online. No shortcuts, no scams. I want to help you become the digital entrepreneur you know you can be. Nothing can replace the value of learning when you are first starting a business. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how I built my business and how you can start yours too. Hit the subscribe and bell icons so that you can get notified when my next video gets uploaded. See you soon!